Admit it. Yo.
Hey NelleNation, it's just Nellie here. My name is Chynelle. If you didn't know, now you know. In today's video, we're going to be doing a vlog. We're getting a new car. Me and my husband getting a new car. I say we because my dad is going to be using it, and then once I turn 16, which is next year, I'm going to be having it. So we're at the dealership. I got my camera right here, period. I'm probably going to be filming off my phone and my camera because my camera's gonna die, so yeah. I'll show y'all inside once you apply to get. It's a nice and sunny day. Is it too luxurious for you? Yes, period. They got a nice setup here. Ooh, wait, I haven't had pop in a while. Let's get some pop. This all nice and stuff. Like, okay. I see that. Okay. Okay. Got a little key. Okay. It's official. It's official. It's official. Got the light plate and everything, period. It's official. It's official. It's official. You gotta get used to the modern life now.
Freaking seat controls.
You gotta get used to the modern life.
Break.
Gosh. Oh.
See the mirror?
Yeah. We got the keys and everything.
Oh yeah, the other control.
Nonprofit NOPEC is the safe choice. NOPEC negotiates
I can look at it when we get home.
electricity and natural gas in bulk, and passing the savings and benefits to you. In fact, over the last 5 years.
Buy your new house.
They trying to tow your truck. No, that's mine.
Didn't I just take a picture for you? I need collateral for that.
It's mine.
Let's go.
No. Ow. Ow.
So which one can I get?
None of them.
I get two. Now you don't want to share that one.
But one is mine.
You don't want to share not one.
Why do you have scissors?
And this one upside down.
That's mine.
Okay, okay.
She threw that in there. And she just threw yours upside down. You're lucky I don't like any of these.
Good.
But that one with the apple, apricot, and lemon.
You got an apricot.
You gotta give me your dad. Oh, you can have
She
that.
probably heard me say I don't like apricot.
Are these actually sharp?
And it's a sharpener right there.
Good for the barbecue. Okay guys, so we finally got back home. Like, whew. We left at 10 a.m. in the morning and it's freaking like 2 or 3 p.m. Like, this journey was so long and like the people were just treating us so badly, but it's okay. It's okay.
We're not gonna worry about the people. We're not gonna worry about it.
But if you like this video, make sure you like, scroll down to the comment section and say something positive, and subscribe to be a part of the Nellie Nation, because the best nation in the world, period. Period. But yeah, bye Nellie Nation.